to buy GoPlus security token. So the token came under the symbol of GPA. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. Also, there is referral codes down in the description and get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your accounts, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, go and keep engage with the community. As you can see, they have a big community there. They have 400 to almost 500,000 followers, so they have a big community there. So as you can see, this token, it will be listed on MEXC. If you go and click on this post, you can see new listing alerts. GPS to USDT will be listed in the innovation zone in 16th of this month in the 10 UTC. So if you go on MEXC, if you don't have an account, create an account. If you can go, you will see you will find in the description the referral code that leads you to MEXC to create an account there if you want, of course. So create an account, fund your account with USDT, and if it's available on that time, go and search for GPS to USDT to be able to buy this token there. So this is how to buy GoPlus security token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.